Hi, my friends, welcome back. Bangkok is a real international city. This city has international fusion, which is a mixture of Western culture and Asian culture. You can find it in the food, the shopping, the services. You can almost find it anywhere. The shopping malls give you an unforgettable experience. You can find light and water shows in the shopping malls. Anyway, you will see a little bit of a show later on in this video, and you'll also get a little bit of a tour of one of the best hotels in Bangkok.